Hello, I'm Galina, aka King Cat, and today I want to share a simple move which helped me to improve my posture when I was back in 5th grade. So back then, I used to slouch a lot. I mean, really, a lot. And my mom kept telling me, Gala, sit up straight, Gala, stand up straight. And I was like, yeah, I'm okay, whatever. Until somebody snapped a photo of me, and I saw myself, and I was like, dang, no, it doesn't look nice. I need to do something. So I started looking up different techniques, and I found instructions like walk with the book on your head, or stand next to the wall, or sit next to the wall. But all of those felt like too much work for the 5th grader me, who didn't have a lot of patience, to be honest. Still don't. And one day, ta-da! In one of my mom's old magazines, I found a simple move which I could do anywhere, anytime, and didn't require any extra effort. And by implementing it into my lifestyle, I went from a literally permanent question mark to strangers asking me if I'm a ballet dancer. I wasn't. So, to the move. Stand still. Lift your shoulders up. Pull your shoulders back. Pull them down. And that's it. And that's how you walk around. Now let me repeat it in a profile. Lift your shoulders up, pull them back, lower them down. You can do it standing, sitting, while driving, anytime you remember. Basically, whenever you catch yourself swatching, and there's like a little light goes in your head and you go like, oh, up, back, down. Let me show again. Up, back, down. Once you get used to it, you can simplify it to go like whoop, one smooth swoosh. Let me do it again. One swoosh. And this is it. The things you want to avoid though is going all the way up, all the way back, and all the way down. Because that would not be comfortable. You may start with that, but then you might need to relax a little bit. Hope you found it useful. If you do, please let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!